How to fix Twitch not sending verification code. So whenever you sign up, you actually need to have your phone number filled up in here. Then your verification code will be sent through an SMS, but sometimes it doesn't work. So what you need to do is to download a third-party app that would receive the verification code. So what you need to do is download Authy, which is authy.com. It can be found also in your phone, both Android and in your iOS. This will serve as your two-factor authentication for your Twitch. So for Android, just find this on your Play Store. And for your iOS, just also find this in your App Store. Don't worry, it is free, so you can just download it. So here I'll show you how to install it. So in your App Store, find Authy and then download it. Now once you've downloaded it, this one will welcome you to the page. You need to sign up through your email and your phone number. Make sure to use the same number that you use in your Twitch. Then it will automatically be used for your verification. Thanks for watching.